My name is Kristen, and I am one of your hosts for tonight. I wanted to take the time to welcome each and every one of you to this amazing backstage pass to Team Rockstar Rodeos. What is Beachbody Coaching? This event is for you. This is where we're going to be sharing information, stories, and transformations for you all to decide if coaching's the right fit for you. So soak in all the good information and ask yourself, or really tell yourself, this is for me. Why not me? So, anyways, just kind of some logistics on how it's going to work. We are going to be highlighting some of the big topics, like a day in the life of a coach. Like, what do we really do every day? We're going to be sharing a customer and a coach success, because it's not always about us. We're helping others reach their goals. So, we're also going to be talking about myths. There's a lot of misconceptions out there about what we actually do. So there's going to be about 10 posts. So you're going to want to make sure that you refresh your browser about every 9 to 10 minutes, just to make sure that you get the next post. So what do you need to do? You need to participate. We really would love for you to participate. And how do you do that? Underneath each post, you're going to want to ask questions. You're going to want to maybe say something, share something. And each time you do that, your name's going to go into a hat. And we're going to be doing about 2 to 3 drawings for prizes. Well, who doesn't want to win something? I know, right? We love free stuff. We all have to admit that. Just remember that there is no question that is wrong. There's no question that's too small. Be sure to ask the questions. So, this is an amazing opportunity. I've been a coach for a little over a year now, and I have changed physically. I have changed financially, but the biggest, it has changed me mentally. I am a better version of myself than I was before I started this. So just remember to reach out to the coach that invited you if you need some more information after this. And then why don't you just sit back, relax, and soak it all in. So let's get started.